Okay, one of the things that is unique to Riverbank Park is that they do have their own community garden. As you can see, they have different flowers, and I believe they have vegetables and stuff like that growing. Let me see if I can come up closer so that you can see, and it goes pretty far back. I'm not sure how to get in. Do see someone down there, and I see people walking down this area here. Okay, all right, so this is another area in which people come into the park, actually. They come in this way, but the buses are actually, they go down that way. And I do see people walking down this way, but yeah, that's what is this? The Henry Hudson there. All right, so the entrance to the garden would not be this way. It would have to be, yeah, because this is all walled off. So I'm gonna stop the video now and go around. Yeah. So
each person's been the plan, whatever it is.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a public lottery. Once every 2 years, they award 65 garden beds. The new lottery is going to be next year. So basically, you have to apply in order to get a garden bed in this particular park. And they consider new members. They're going to consider the next set of members in February of 2027. Okay, so I'm just walking down the garden so that you guys can see, hope you can see what they have growing here. Another section of the garden is over here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right, so this is their greenhouse center, but unfortunately it is locked. But you know what? We'll turn around and so that you guys can see a better view of their garden. The smaller, tinier garden that they have. Okay guys, so we have discovered that behind the greenhouse, there's actually a skating rink. Okay. And they seem as though they also play hockey in here as well. But it seems as though it's locked at the moment. So you would have to figure out, you would have to go to the website and then look to see when do they actually open this. But this is the skating rink and the hockey area where they play hockey. Guys, this is the snack bar, but it's crowded, a lot of people, and I don't want to invade their privacy, but just to let you know, there are places to eat. Not a lot, but there are. In here, it's closed, but this is the cultural center where they have performances indoors.